Hey everyone, we wanted to do a quick intro to the upcoming all-day workshop in SharePoint Fest called Teams Make It Real Challenge. My name is Bobby Chang, a technologist with Microsoft, and I'm joined with my colleague Ed Hild, Microsoft MTC architect. Ed, would you mind telling the good folks here what the Make It Real Challenge is all about?
Sure. So for this event, what we've done is we've made up a fictitious government agency that focuses on emergency response. And at the workshop, the attendees will kind of work collaboratively with their peers to basically configure Microsoft Teams and the other services in Office 365 to help improve that agency's preparedness and make their business processes more efficient.
Well, it sounds a little different than a typical workshop, right? Would you mind elaborating?
Yeah, so this is a bit different, and just to emphasize the word challenge in that title, right? Make it real challenge. What we're doing, as opposed to other workshops, is that there's no lab guide. This is not a follow the instructor kind of click by click. There's no one answer, particularly meet any of the business processes that we've put up. What we've done is just kind of laid out some scenarios and some business outcomes that this agency would like to meet. And then the group and the team work together to be able to configure their environment to meet those outcomes. And of course, this is being done in particular for government customers. It uses a lot of things that we've seen in common for different customers. It's done kind of hackathon style, but we're targeting power users. So this is not necessarily something that you have to be a global admin or developer level person to be able to attend.
That sounds awesome. I'm really looking forward to it. Lastly, what do the attendees need to bring to this day-long challenge?
Yeah, so we do need folks to bring their own machines, something that can connect to the Wi-Fi and a tenant that we will be providing. It would be also nice, since some of our challenges do have a mobile aspect to them, to have a phone that they could just sign into Teams or OneDrive with the personas that we'll provide.
Well, cool. Thanks a lot, Ed. Very excited to take on a challenge with you and hope to catch everyone else at SharePoint Fest. Take care now.